The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, a high-performance variant of the first-generation Camaro, was specifically designed to compete in the Sports Car Club of America's SCCA Trans Am Racing Series. With only 19,490 units produced for the 1969 model year, these cars are highly collectible today. The Z28 played a crucial role in establishing the Camaro as a serious performance car, setting the stage for future high-performance models. Its success in the Trans Am series highlighted its capabilities and cemented its place in automotive history as a sought-after muscle car. The Z28 was powered by a 302 cubic inch, 4.9-liter V8 engine, a special high-performance version of the Chevrolet 327 small block V8. This engine featured a bore and stroke of 4.0 by 3.76 inches, 11.0 to 1 compression ratio, in a solid lifter camshaft with a 0.459-inch lift and 304-degree duration. It was equipped with a Holley floor barrel carburetor and dual exhaust with low restriction mufflers. This setup produced 290 horsepower at 5,800 RPM and 290 foot-pounds of torque at 4,200 RPM, though it was factory rated at 290 horsepower due to the industry's practice of underrating engines for insurance purposes. The Z28 came standard with a Muncie M20 wide ratio, 4-speed manual transmission, and a heavy-duty clutch. For those seeking enhanced performance, a close ratio M21 4-speed was available as an option. The final drive ratio for the Z28 was 3.73 to 1, contributing to its strong performance characteristics and making it a strong competitor in the SCCA Trans Am Racing Series. Visually, the 1969 Z28 stood out with its distinctive dual black rally stripes on the hood and trunk lid, front and rear spoilers, wide fender flares, and Z28 fender badging. These features emphasize the car's high-performance capabilities and racing heritage. The interior of the Z28 was equally impressive, featuring strato bucket seats, a deluxe interior with wood grain trim, and the Z28 steering wheel. This combination of exterior and interior elements not only enhanced the car's aesthetic appeal, but also underscored its status as a top-tier performance vehicle. Now, if you love cars as much as I do, don't forget to smash that like button. Click subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss out on our latest videos. The 1969 Camaro Z28 was engineered for road racing, delivering exceptional performance. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds and complete a quarter mile in 15.1 seconds at 95 miles per hour. Its estimated top speed was 127 miles per hour. The Z28's performance was bolstered by its lightweight body, weighing around 3,200 pounds, combined with a high-revving small block V8 engine. Additionally, the performance-tuned suspension provided excellent handling and braking capabilities, making the Z28 a challenging competitor on the racetrack and a thrilling ride on the open road.